Hey guys, it's March 25th, 2021. It's roughly about 8:30 Eastern. So let's see how Nano Dimension traded today. So Nano Dimension pretty much opened here. Tried to rise up and was held down by this Gann angle as a long a long time trend. So naturally got pushed down to what I thought we would go to around the 780 mark. Even got down as far as the 774. And the good thing is in the opening it was able to push up. I believe that came in the same style with the market. Let's take a look at it for a minute. So there was an intersection here, and that's what happened here. So let's take a look at the market. Yeah, so NASDAQ went up, came down, then did a sharp return and went down. So let's see how that went with Nano Dimension. So went up, had a sharp down, sharp up, another sharp up, and then continued up. So Nano Dimension actually traded better than the market because if we look at that here, it pretty much, well, I guess that was, let's see, yeah, that's about the same. So, but it did well. So we went from around 775 to roughly right now at 896. I believe that's what it is after hours. Hopefully tomorrow we'll continue to rise. We have to go across this angle here. That's a long established one. So we're definitely going to need the volume for that. That's the thing here. As you can see, the volume here, dwarfs everything else. So we're able to get that push up, So we're going to need something very similar, I think, tomorrow in order to get above this or near opening to get above it and then hopefully continue to this 946 range. There are quite a bit of some Gann angle and support resistance collisions here, so it may be pretty choppy as Nano Dimension tries to get back to where it was. I mean, you can see here there's quite a bit that's going to be occurring, so we'll see how angles form as we get near there. Hopefully they form in a manner that allows us to get up there. Rather it's it's a fair climb, but also a steady rise. Alright, so other than that, guys, let's look at the MACD. The MACD is fair. It seems to be pointing down a little bit, and the RSI is pretty low. So hopefully we won't fall down. We'll just keep going, going back up. If we look at it on the 1 hour scale, you can look at that as an ascending wedge there. So we're kind of knocking on this resistance that's roughly around $9, 907. But as far as the MACD, we did go over the baseline. The signal is not too far from it, but it probably take most of tomorrow to be a good update to cross over the signal. I mean, for the signal to cross over the baseline. And the RSI is pretty fair, so nothing really too relevant. I mean, and daily wise, we are looking like we're kind of just weaving out of the signal here. So hopefully we'll start pointing upward if the market allows, and then hopefully get over the baseline to where it's more of a bullish territory. But we definitely need a bullish run in order to get up there. RSI is pretty low. It's at 41. Weekly, it's the same thing. It's fair RSI, and this MACD. We'll see how it continues to continues to unfold. So here we're pushing up on here for on the weekly. We'll see how things go. I can't imagine it going pushing up too much, but I don't know. Well, I mean, tomorrow's Friday, so I can see it going a little higher. If it has the volume to do so. Other than that, guys, there's really there's no new news. It's been nothing since the trial run of the first AME for radiation effects. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. We're looking to do more, continue the bull run. This would look like a bull flag. So we'll see how it goes, but we do have this GAN angle there that needs to be that established quite a bit of a trend to be pushed through and then be able to get up at least on the 945 scale. If we can make it up to the 991, I would be really surprised, but it is possible. So but I imagine it wouldn't be without a lot of chop. I mean, there is a lot of chop going on up here. So we'll see how this goes, and you see how choppy this thing is. All of this was above it, so you can imagine what that's going to do tomorrow. So hopefully, if we're strong in the morning, we'll get pushed up to here, and then open the day like around a market time to be around here, and then hopefully just make a big spike up, gets pushed down hard to where this is going to be the 50% retracement of that. So maybe we'll spike up to maybe 975, and then get pushed down, and then kind of just whip around here for most of the day according to that thing. Or that can happen here in this level. It'd be nice if we were up here, but we'll see how it goes and see how the week closes. Alright, guys, other than that, that's it. Happy trading tomorrow. Good luck, and talk to you later.